Okay, this is going to be the last assessment of the term. We're doing lab test term 1, what's in the filter. And so you should follow along with this procedure that I'm going to do for you. The first thing it asks me to do is to mass a 150 milliliter beaker. We are going to call this beaker number 5, okay? And I have massed it, and you probably can't see the mass there, so I will tell you it is 66.46 grams. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to set it ahead 2 grams to 68.46, and I'm going to add copper 2 chloride to it. You're familiar with copper 2 chloride. We've used it a few times before. This has a big chunk of it in there, so I'm going to just chop it up a little bit. We've used it before in a couple of different labs, an aluminum foil lab and a iron lab. And you are probably familiar with the color, that blue color of it. And I am going to make sure that my scale is even, so I've got a little bit too much there. Take a little out and let it even out. Okay, there's my 2 grams of copper 2 chloride in beaker number 5. Okay, then I have another scale set up here with the second beaker. We're going to call this beaker number 6. And I have massed it already. And beaker number 6 has a mass of 66.4. Looks like it came off a little bit, so let me just fix it. 66.510. And that is beaker number 6. Make sure that you know that. And in this beaker, I am going to put some stuff called potassium chromate. And again, I'm going to put 2 grams of it. You have not seen potassium chromate before, but it's a yellow color. You'll be able to see it better when I put it in the beaker. I'm going to set my scale ahead 2 grams so that I can have the proper amount. And I will put the yellow stuff in until my scale is even, meaning that I have 2 grams. All right, that one was a little bit easier. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 15 milliliters of water into each one of these beakers and stir to dissolve.